So with that, finally I'm back on the stage, right? So before starting, I really would like to learn about like सामने कौन बैठा है, right? So how many of you are professionals and how many of you are developers and how many of you are entrepreneurs? So half are developers, half are entrepreneurs, and Shubham is also there in between both the things. Okay. So with that, like let's get started, right? So this is my topic, like key insights on building a startup, right? And I'm co-founder and chief everything officer at Soul Gurus. Like there is a like dot that I have put here, like why I'm calling chief everything officer, but I'm not a chief everything officer, I'm CEO, right? And I'm at the rate Paresh Mayani, right? Let's get started. And in my introduction, I am a 7 years experienced proud father. And this is what I do when I'm not at startup, right? And yeah, what society thinks I do, right? Attending events, going on trips, and taking selfies, pictures, and everything. But what I do actually, right? It is exact opposite side, being an entrepreneur. कि जब लोगों को लगता है ना कि like startup is like luxurious life है, like jet plane में travel कर रहे हो, funding, lot of monies, and office with almost all the amenities, but it is not the case actually. Those who are entrepreneurs can relate to it, right? Okay, it is not the case, but it is the exact opposite, that you have to literally take a lot of follow-ups, running behind clients for giving you projects. And when there are projects, you don't have resources. And when there are resources, you don't have projects, right? There are a lot of things, right? So it is exact opposite of the side. So welcome to the reality, guys. I'm sure you are here for learning about the reality and what I wish I knew when I started. Definitely I knew, but this is my key insights that I've gathered over the period of like 1.5 years since we started. Now there is a question, right? Those who are not aware about my experience in Germany, so I have been exploring the horizon of IT industry for past 15 years, right? And only last year I started. So किसी ने मुझे पूछा था sir why you are doing job and why you started now, right? So गुजराती हूँ, so obviously किसी के कंधे पर गोली फोड़ ली. अभी now I have that experience and now I'm just utilizing that experience. कि पहले वेस्ट किया, इन्वेस्ट किया, जो भी किया, but किसी के कंधे पर गोली फोड़ ली. अभी now I'm hiring from my own pocket or from my own company, right? So I have just utilized that opportunity, gathered a lot of learnings and experience, and then I'm now utilizing that. Next, so this is what I have experienced, like someone is going to talk about startup, right? And I always say there is no magic, there is no shortcut, right? And so thank you all for joining my session. It was just for taking your attention. Are you all with me? Yes. Are you all with me? Yes. Awesome. So that was just for taking your attention because this is the last session. I'm just in between goodies and last session. So obviously like, okay. So key insights, these are some of the myths, key points, like life is settled after you build the team, right? I mean, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना कि like start कर दिया and then life is settled after you have the team. You don't need to do anything, right? But when your startup starts growing, right, you will be having strategic challenges. You will be having more challenges to tackle the growth and expansion and plan, right? And एक बार life is sorted after building initial set of projects or products, and then once you have raised money, life is settled, right? And another question, like how you all are developer here, right? So guys, like there is a like myth that you start building your portals, freelancer portal, and then that's how you will be able to start, right? But it is myth. I mean, it is not the actual case or reality. You have to literally build a lot for winning good clients. So don't take decision in haphazard manner, because you have to put a lot of efforts for getting good projects, right? And then and another myth is like you don't need investment for starting IT company, right? Who said, right? So there is a myth, right? You don't need investment. You just need one laptop and then internet connection, and that's how you will be able to start, right? But it is not the case. Think about the operational expenses, execution, and lot of other challenges like GST 18%, TDS 30%, 30% TDS, right? So think about these all challenges and lot of other things that you might come across when you start. So these are some of the key points and myths that you need to like tackle when you start. Now, actual insights, like main topics of the presentation. These are the 10 key insights I'm going to talk about, right? First is building a MVP version, right? So when anyone starts building, and those who are working in SolGurus can relate, like I have always suggested my all the clients to build a minimum viable product that you can go with into market, right? ये चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा, right? So this is what you need. So and how you decide which top 3 features. So we always suggest like these top 3 features you should go with. Now how you decide? So maybe you organize design sprint, wherein just collect data, words, and then prototyping and everything and all those sort of things, right? And then based on that you maybe apply dot voting method, right? You just give 10 cheats, 10 sticky notes, and then people will put it on the particular keynotes or functionality, and that's how you will be able to decide top 3 functionality, top 3 features that should go into your MVP version, right? And that is how. And another thing is, right, when I am building something, I should love the product, right? So my point here is like your team should actually love it before your client love it, right? Client teams love it. So that is what. And another point is moving ahead. Analyze, and only analyze, right? When you are building some products or some features, when you are adding some features, you should definitely keep on analyzing it. Maybe you integrate Google Analytics, or maybe you integrate Mixpanel or any other various tools available. Like maybe you implement WebEngage, and I mean these are the different tools that you can integrate for increasing the user engagement and analyzing the data, and collecting data and then analyzing it, right? So this is what you do. So first you should be able to learn about your user behaviors, what your user is doing, and where your user is landing, which feature is being utilized more, your users are landing on which screens, and how you are basically planning out your like which features are working, which screens are being used, consumed more, right? So that you can decide based on the data only, right? And like this is what we have collected from one of our clients, that monthly active user ratio is going up and user download has exponentially grown. Like there is a spike. So we should be able to know like there was a spike during which month, क्यों हुआ, why it occurred, right? So you should be able to identify and learn on based on data that you have collected. User retention is biggest issue. Once you acquire user, you should be able to retain it, but you would be able to collect, and you would be able to learn based on the user analytics and user pattern only, right? Portfolio and winning client. Another key insight, like sir, I am starting up. How should I mean, how I would be able to get more clients? How I would be able to get more projects? Success story of my startup is we don't have any single sales team member, sales or BD team member in our team. All are developers and designer. So that is what, yeah. So first thing first, when we started building some case studies, POCs, and then that's how we started. And then we built the product, portfolios to showcase our engineering capabilities. And that is what we do, like this is what we would be able to do. The name is Soul Gurus, right? So the branding or identity will be actually identified that they are solution gurus. And we are proud to say that we are solution gurus. So most thing, like you should be having something to showcase to your clients that this is what we have built, instead of sharing some rough estimation and you would not be able to prove what you are able to do, what you are capable to do, what your team can do, right? So and couple of other things, like you should be able to deliver. सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री वी नो, राइट? डिलीवरी की बात आती है तो कभी टाइम पर नहीं होता है. बट बीइंग अ डेवलपर बाय हार्ट, आई नो लाइक वी mostly miss delivery just in ensuring that is working properly, and there are some issues and lot of things. No software development is delivered without any issues. That is fact, right? So you should do 99% delivery. You should be able to, you should deliver the promised and commitments that you have given to your clients, right? And timely delivery, set the expectation. That is one of the most thing that you clarify with your client, that, and you should set the expectation that this is what they are expecting and this is how they are expecting. Is it confirmed? Then you should start working on a particular set of features. So we set the expectation by first preparing user stories, and then we map it to a wireframe, then we map it to prototype, and then we share it with them to help them in visualizing what we are going to deliver before we develop it. And that is how we set the expectation. Repeating business is the key. As I said, we don't have any sales team member in our team. So that is where the key business, key point is repeating business is the key. Instead of putting efforts in getting more projects, trying to get more clients onboarded, don't do it. That is what my suggestion is, and that is what I have learned from one of my mentors, that repeating business is the key. Try to keep on selling to the same clients that they would be interested to work with you again and again. So satisfy them, keep on sharing your new work that you are coming up with. Maybe you have learned something, you can propose them that you have now built a capability of Laravel. So you can suggest them that we also have a team of Laravel and we can deliver this. Maybe you are on the product side, so maybe you have built 2 new features. So you can just reach out to the same set of clients and share them that this is what this is what 2 features you have built, you have developed in your product, and this is how it is going to ease their life, right? So, and another thing is, help your client to help you out. You help your client in solving problems, earning money. When they are earning money, they will be investing in you. So you should help your client to help you out in making expansion and growth, right? So far so good. Are you with me? Yes. Is it interesting? Yes. Okay, thank you. मुझे जोक नहीं आता है तो okay. Code quality and architecture. So there are a lot of things, like as I'm coming from technical developer to senior engineer to technical lead to practice head, that was kind of like head of engineering, and now CEO. So as I'm coming from technical background, I still code, not on a daily basis, but sometimes whenever there are issues in code, or there is scalability issue, or there is code architecture issue, so I jump directly and help team in solving those problems and implementing practices. So this is where like most frustration is, like code quality and architecture, right? So developers, you can relate to it, right? We implement, I mean everyone, all the developers, they believe that whatever they implement is top notch, right? But it is not the always case. It is not the always case that you whatever you implement, so get it reviewed by your peers. So Pranay and Chintan talked about implementing static code analysis, right? SonarQube. So what machine can do, we human being can't do, right? जो like 10 फाइल में आपको दो रिव्यू करने के लिए, you might make mistake, you might forget some lines, but if you give it to machine, it will give you a result in very next 5 or 10 minutes, right? So implement some sort of static code analysis practices. Get it reviewed by peer, that is manual code review, right? And another thing is like, have some team members exploring the new tech and practices. Say for example, if you talk about Flutter, right? So maybe your team is capable of implementing GetX architecture, right? But people have started adopting Block or MobX. So it is not, you cannot say to your client that you only know GetX, but your team should be able to capable of building Flutter app by implementing Block and MobX, right? And if you talk about React, then maybe you are capable of implementing Redux, but it is not the always case that you just know. You should also know like other state management practices, right? And Android, if you are just implementing MVP, but your team should be capable of implementing MVVM with maybe Jetpack Compose as well, right? So these are the technical things that you should be ensuring, you should be implementing to make sure that whatever you deliver is up to the standards and top-notch quality in terms of code quality and architecture practices. So when you build MVP, on top of that, you would be able to add more features. अदरवाइज जो कहानी हम करते हैं कि सर एक पॉइंट डालने से 3 आ रहा है, इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, राइट? आई मीन योर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट, I mean you are not able to scale your product just because like there are a lot of issues occurs when you add any single set of or maybe multiple features and it is breaking out other existing things, right? So point here is you should be able to scale your product, not frustrate your client, right? And it is not the always case that you always suggest your client, sir कोड अभी नहीं चल रहा है, we need to revamp the product. So have you heard about Teli? Right? It is the same UI and functionality since ages and decades, right? So now if it is not the case, I mean they have money, they can definitely revamp the product, but there are a lot of other interesting facts that why they are not revamping with the latest UI UX standards, right? But in my case is once you have user base, you won't be able to look back you start building your product from scratch. I mean, it would be super late. So when you build, make sure that your code is scalable and best and up to the industry practices. Repetitive and task and automation, right? So when you are starting, as I said, you are a chief everything officer, right? चाय भी बनाओ, चाय भी खुद पियो, कोड भी करो, क्लाइंट को मैनेज भी करो, एंड एस्केलेशन आते हैं, रेड फ्लैग्स आते हैं, HR भी करो, हायरिंग करो, फायरिंग करो, मार्केटिंग करो, ब्लॉगिंग करो, everything you have to do, right? When you are starting, because you don't have resources, you don't have bandwidth, right? So make sure that you are removing the mundane task, repetitive task, and implement some sort of automation. Say for example, as I said, you don't need to share build. APK यहाँ से लिया, drive पर डाला, link दिया. Why you are doing this for Android, right? Instead of that, implement Code Magic. I mean, for sharing Flutter build, implement other Jenkins and those all CI/CD tools, right? For generating and merging code and sharing the build with your clients automated way. As soon as your PR is merged, build should be triggered and and it should notify your clients automatically. I mean, why to repeat the manual things, right? And maybe there are a lot of other things like pro-code and no-code platform, right? So there is a product device, right? So they will build pro-code tools. So instead of starting from scratch, like take the ready-made material as much as possible, right? As much as available in the market. So you don't need to do always build something from scratch. Like, I mean, I'm talking about, let's say grocery product, right? Grocery. So you don't need to build it from scratch. Rather, take the available materials from the market, whatever is available. Just try out your features and functionality, build the product, go into the market, validate your idea. Once it works out, once you get funding, once you start generating recurring revenue, you maybe try out custom development where you can add more features and functionalities, right? That is how you can automate things and remove the repetition and mundane tasks. Network, right? So we all are here for networking, right? Okay, so my point here is like we just started last year, 1.5 years back. It's just 18 months old baby, right? Baby. Okay, and we are a team of 25 full-time members, and there are consultants who are consulting us on a daily basis, helping my team in reviewing. So the thing I am sharing here is like you should surround yourself with the right people who can mentor you, who can guide you, who can help you and your team in reviewing code, suggesting you that you should implement, let's say, neomorphism design, and maybe there is a new brutally concept out there in the design, right? So you should try it out. You should try you should give it a try. So there should be some mentors or consultants or pro developers, and you should surround yourself with them so that they can mentor you, they can guide you. You pay them, right? Instead of hiring 10 years, 12 years experienced developer, you hire them on an hourly basis, and that's how you can maintain your budget and deliver it with the quality, right? But whenever you do networking, do the meaningful networking. It is not like taking a selfie and then posting on LinkedIn and getting engagement and likes and whatnot. Does it make any sense? I mean, likes ले लिया, हुआ क्या? So instead of that, be CEO, right? टाइम जहाँ इन्वेस्ट किया वहाँ से रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए. Okay. And yeah, one more thing, collaboration is the key, right? अगर अभी like we are currently in the time of where we have lot of IT companies, software, service and product companies, right? You are not the alone, my friends, right? You are not the alone. So you have to do as much as collaborations possible. Let's say you are building one product where you need some sort of analytics, right? So you collaborate with them. You collaborate with them, get the analytics, and you give your product to them for free of charge, or maybe some features you give it to them, and that is how you collaborate. And on service side, let's say you are doing React and Node, right? And they are doing Laravel. So you give them the Laravel projects, and when there are React and Node projects, they should give it to you. That is how you should create win-win situation. That is how you should collaborate and make the progress and growth of the company. Hiring challenges, right? So people used to say like, Laravel नहीं मिल रहा है, React नहीं मिल रहा है, Node नहीं मिल रहा है. But in just 1.5 years, we are able to build a team of 25 members, right? So hiring is not a challenge. Your culture should set the bar, should be exceptional, unique, that people should believe in your vision and mission, what you want to do, how you are different, right? And that's how people would marry you. Because when someone is starting, someone is investing their career time with you, they should be able to see the career span and growth and everything. So your career page should be distilled clear. At Solgurus, Soul Guru's employees are here, right? So you always remember, and remember, like I have always said, right? Don't share any, share always truth. I mean, जो सच है वही बताओ. Don't fake anything, right? That is what we have always believed. Though we share it over, if you visit Soul Guru's website, we have just 3 pages: home, career, and blog. For clients, we have home page. For employees, we have a career page, and for generating topic, we have blog page. That's it. So, and can you believe like what traffic we have generated? Any random guess? Just 3 pages. You don't need any. You don't need to do any magic. For writing like taxi booking app development, grocery app development, and you are doing this and Laravel app services, Android app service, and iOS app service. And when there are product, they write a lot of product features, fancy things, and all those things to they list out, right? So people used to do that for generating traffic, right, based on content. But so can anyone share the random guess like what traffic we have generated just in last 6 or maybe 9 months? Any random guess? Yeah. It's almost near. So we are currently in between 1.5 million. And another key insight, I'm sharing this learning and experience because मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया था, right? बताया था, I was knowing like this is what we need to do and how we need to do, but कैसे होगा, कैसे करेंगे, that I didn't know. So, and we don't have any full-time content writer. We don't have any SEO member. We don't have any digital marketing member. So being a CEO, you need to be on top of what you want to achieve, why you want to do. So we have written content for building our brand, for sharing our knowledge, right? But for that, you don't need to write. You have consultants, freelancers, right? They are always looking for work, so give it to them. That if they are giving you some work in their free time, give it to them, share it with them so that they deliver. You put it on your blog, and that's how you do SEO. I literally did SEO course, and then I started applying, and I met couple of good guys in Ahmedabad, like Amit Panchal is there, right? Amit Panchal who were also here in the morning. So these are the nice guys. You, as I said, surrounding yourself with the good people, with the right people. So I just consulted him that, Amit, this is the problem, how we can solve it out. So he said couple of things. I just learned myself by attending couple of courses, and then we applied it, and that is how we are generating traffic. It wasn't the only practice, but we have applied couple of other practices. Coming back to the point, should represent your processes and culture, right? So it should be distilled clear that what you believe, what you want to accomplish, what your company believes in, and it should represent your culture crystal clearly. Now, most important, hiring challenges, right? If you are entrepreneur, what we do, like we always think from, ये पैकेज दे दो आ जाएगा, नहीं आता है. You need to think from, there are experienced entrepreneurs out there sitting here, right? So correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm not thinking from entrepreneur's perspective. I will never think. There were suggestions to me that be businessman. I will never be. So point here is like we need to think and hire from candidate's point of view. So we don't have any bonds, contract or anything. Like we will never keep. That is what commitment we are giving. We'll never keep. We'll never ever keep. Right? So they should feel comfortable. You give them perks. You give them your freedom to learn and implement. So if you think from employee's perspective, they would believe in your idea and mission, how we are being unique, how we are setting the bar as compared to other companies, right? Hiring puzzle. So another thing is like keep the hiring always open. Mining करते रहो. We never know when we get the 24 karat diamond, right? So your hiring should be always open. We keep it always open. So we filter out and then we choose solution gurus, right? For one position, hire always two. Don't let the monopoly build, right? Because when he or she puts up paper, pink slip दे दिया, paper रख दिया, then problem will start. We'll start looking around कि भाई किसी के पास rate है तो दे दो मुझे. I need to deliver it on a given commitment. So that's where I said you need to plan really well by looking at the team कि 99% delivery कैसे करनी है, right? So for one position you should always have two members. One may be sitting on bench doing something like meaningful work, not just doing random R&D. You can give them the case study to build, which you can showcase you to your clients. That is how you utilize, and that is how you manage. That is how you make them learning new things, right? Say for example, my design team was coming pretty, so I just give them there is a new brutalism concept is out there. You just try it out on our website itself, right? So same thing you can do with Flutter and Android and iOS and all those sort of things. Now moving ahead, communication challenges, right? When your team is small and it starts growing, communication problem gets started. एक है तब तक आप मिलके फोन करके बात कर लेते हो, but when your team starts growing, communication problem starts going high, right? For that you need to implement processes. Daily scrum call, you take a call with them, set the clear expectation, what you did yesterday, what you are going to do, why you are going to do, whether you have all the resources or not, what you will deliver and accomplish at the end of the day. And when you are signing off for the day, you put evening status update in client's channel. That is what we follow. So my team is keeping actually my clients, all the clients engaged, right? Now there is also question, तो client लेके भाग नहीं जाएगा, right? So वही communication कर रहे हैं. There are many companies who believe in के जहाँ project manager ही communication करते. We don't have any project managers. So yeah. So there is also why we don't have project managers. We don't hate project managers. Once upon a time I was also project manager. So I don't hate project managers, but the thing is you are a startup. You will not be having all the luxury कि business analyst है, जो product manager है, and then delivery manager है. It is that you have to build your team in a such a way that you will be able to roll out maximum things in no time. And you share weekly report. That is how you will be able to share crystal clear picture and keeping your client on the same page and ensuring that you are being transparent with your clients. As I said, you be transparent and you help your client to help you out, right? And recurring business is the key. So these all the dots are connected if you realize. In department meetings, so you can review department progress and you can meet your team members one-on-one basis or maybe once in a week, once in a quarter. You review their department goals and achievements, what they are accomplishing, right? What they have accomplished and what they are making, what they are progressing on, right? So you review it and then give them the target, set the expectation that you need to come up with something unique or another set of features that would rock the market. Maybe you just come up with couple of ideas only on product side. If you talk about service side, then you just need to learn and adopt Jetpack Compose, right? Maybe you are doing Android, so you need to start building small application. Just build 3 applications in Flutter, right? If you are QA, so you can give them the task to implementing automated QA using maybe JUnit or Espresso and other libraries out there, right? So you can assign the goals, review the progress, show them the right direction and help them in making the progress and growth, and when they are making the growth, you will be making the growth, right? And team management. So there are a lot of things out there I have seen over the period of like 15 years. I've been exploring, as I said, the horizon of the IT industry for past 15 years, and over the period of time I have seen companies used to hire from outside when they have diamond in-house, right? You just need to polish them, to give them a sign. I mean, just star effect आती है ना, so that diamonds are already inside in-house. You just need to mentor them, you just need to guide them. When they are signing, promote them. And make them the task owner, so that they will be able to make the growth in their career. When they are making the growth in their career, they will be with for a longer time. So you provide them one-on-one mentorship, career growth, KPI and OKR. Maybe we are not following any process right now, like we don't have OKR or KPI, but since we don't have bandwidth, I just take call with them and assign the goals that you need to learn these, implement these, and we'll meet again after 3 months, and that is how we review the progress and appreciate them, motivate them to do something unique and extra. So far so good? Yes. Awesome. Branding, culture and values. So as I said, we are writing contents for building brand. We are creating proof of concepts or maybe case studies for building brand, like what my team can do, what we can do, right? So that is how we are preparing some sort of some sort of case studies and projects. And if you look at this SolGurus page, we have just published 3 projects only. So do you believe like we have just worked on 3 projects, or we don't have time to update our website? We don't want to showcase our client's project. We can definitely showcase for getting more projects in the same direction. But as I said, repeating business is the key. So we're getting recurring clients from the same clients, recurring projects from the same client. Now, if you give, now next point is like friendly atmosphere and flexible environment, right? So you should give them the liberty, freedom to think upon, freedom to come up with a lot of ideas, new ideas, share it with them. And then that's how you will be able to collect a lot of ideas and gather it, and then you take the further strategic decisions. So freedom should be there, flexibility should be there. So at SolGurus we don't have fixed timing. कि IT में काम कर रहे हो तो ये बैंक नहीं है भाई, right? They should be having freedom. Like we end up working sometimes more on a particular day. Let's say Monday मैंने 9-10 घंटे हो गए and I'm literally tired. So if I wake up late, tomorrow I will start late. So we have that flexibility that you need to attend 8 hours in a day from wherever, whenever you want to do. It's up to you. But you just need to keep your clients posted, sharing crystal clear communication with them, keeping on the same page. So client would be fine, right? I don't care whether you work 4 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the evening. It's up to you, right? So that my team is able to manage the flexibility while managing work-life balance, right? There is a big myth, work-life balance, right? You can relate, right? Work-life balance. A lot of people used to talk about work-life balance, but when you look at the ground reality, picture is completely different. Wife का phone आ रहा है, रख दो मैं client call वो. So a lot of things.
There's no life without work.
Right. Now next, micromanagement. This is the thing. That's where I said, morning में call लो, set the clear expectation, what you need to accomplish today, what you did yesterday, and whether you have all the resources when you are starting for the day. And then when they are signing off for the day, 7 बजे जाके ऐसा मत बोलना, hey, let's take a quick call, and बोलते हो, आज ये deliver करना था. Is it really? I mean, think from like opposite side कि भाई अपने पास नहीं है. I mean, right? I won't be able to deliver it in. I won't be able to do any magic just in 1 or 2 hours. Developers are developers, and developers need to understand. I'm not favoring you only. And developers need to understand. Sometimes CEO and top delivery management also get random things from client. So you also need to understand this side as well. Sometimes we need to tackle the random expectation and help company in delivering the same, right? So don't do the micromanagement. Clear, set the expectation on both the sides, client side and on the team side, and manage it really very well. Don't do micromanagement. Let the team member fails. If they are taking the wrong direction, if they take the wrong decision, let it be. Let them fail. मेरा एक प्रैक्टिस है अभी तक का. Those who have worked with me, they know I never sit together with the team. Never. बाजू में कभी नहीं बैठा हूँ. आशुतोष, you can relate, right? अगर फेल नहीं हो रहा है ना तो धक्का मार के गिराता हूँ. So that he would realize कि आगे खड़ा था, ये ही खड़ा है, यहाँ नहीं गिरना है, राइट? नेक्स्ट टाइम वो खड्डा देख के नहीं गिरेगा. सो दैट इज द प्रैक्टिस आई ऑलवेज फॉलो. बाजू में बैठ के कभी नहीं सीखा है. आई ऑलवेज से देम यू डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग, ट्राई टू कम अप विथ द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू थिंक कि आपने गलत किया है. आर्किटेक्चर है तो रिव्यू करके बोल देता हूँ कि कुछ मिस्टेक है आर्किटेक्चर में. सो दैट पर्सन विल रियलाइज दैट ही डिड सम मिस्टेक्स एंड ही वुड कम अप विथ समथिंग कि वो खुद एनालाइज करेगा, खुद सीखेगा. सो फेल हो रहा है, लेट देम फेल. फेलियर इज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग. एग्री? Okay, so these are the principles to stand, right? Find a problem that is huge and painful. If I talk about some of the startups, right? Device is one of the startup, right? They have found a problem कि no code है. अभी तक क्या है? Webflow is there, right? You just drag and drop, but you don't get the code ownership. Right? That is a problem. So they have come up with this problem that you will be the owner of code, right? Now another thing is Matru Bharti is another startup from Ahmedabad, right? And they have like build application to support the regional content and regional author, right? So you just need to find a problem that is huge and painful. Third thing, like recently like talk happened, right? Greek heroes. We all used to write in that note कि इसने इतना रन लिया और 6 लगाई एंड फिर जाके झगड़ते हैं कब हुआ, 6 बॉल हुआ, 5 बॉल हुआ, 7 बॉल हुआ, वाइड ये था, नो बॉल ये था. बट इफ यू आर जस्ट solving this problem using application, your whole cricket life is getting recorded in one application, right? So find a problem that is huge and painful, and as I said, analyze and understand the problem more deeply. I mean, we are failed once, so we built one application and it has been rejected by Apple multiple times, and we thought it wasn't started at the right time. Right market में जाते हो तो right time भी एक चीज है कि you need to go into the market at the right time. अगर right time पर नहीं है तो नहीं चलेगा. अभी क्रिप्टो में जाए तो पीटेंगे, right? So it should be the right time, and you need to understand the product features, problems more deeply. ऐसा नहीं है कि कल प्रोडक्ट बना दिया तो it will start rocking. ग्राउंड रियलिटी मैंने पहले ही क्लियर कर दी कि भाई once you build the product, you will not start getting clients right from next day. You will have to put lot of efforts. So understand the problem more deeply कि problem है कि नहीं है, and assemble the team. I think Samyak discussed about like you need to have a great team. You might need a co-founder for tackling issues and lot of things, right? Right. So luckily I'm surrounded by Satyendra and Lokesh, who are partners in crime. Lokesh being a CTO, and he can code multiple languages without taking a context switch break, right? And luckily I'm in between, neither on technical nor on management, so I have to sit on CEO position. That is like you have to wear multiple hats, right? When there is no option, you have to be CEO. Jokes apart, never stop talking to your customer. As I said, repeating business is the key, right? You keep on keep your clients updated with what all features you are coming up with. And on service side, you can keep them saying that you have built this entertainment problem or entertainment application, grocery solution, and all these sort of things, right? So that they would know. So if they get any requirement in the same domain, they will reach out to you saying that, hey, you have built, you have experience, let's work together, let's collaborate together, and then let's take it forward, right? Stay focused and passionate, right? कुछ भी हो जाए, जमीन आसमान हो जाए, अलग हो जाए, क्यों ना हो जाए, being a CEO, team you can relate, right? I never lose temperament, never. That is one thing I learned from my mentor, Hiren Daduk, CTO of Simpom. That is what I have learned from him, that कुछ भी हो जाए, टेम्परामेंट नहीं जाना चाहिए, एंड यू शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव. टारगेट डिसाइड करो कि ये साल का कितना टारगेट है. सो आवर टारगेट वाज 1 मिलियन ऑन ब्लॉग एंड क्लच पे 10 रेटिंग हो जाए, एंड ड्रिबल पर हम लोग कुछ केस स्टडीज कर दे. सो उसमें हम लोग अभी वी आर एट 100 शॉट्स ओवर ड्रिबल. Kudos and credits to my designer team for making it happen, and we have achieved this target just in 25 members, right? Is it good so far? So far so good? Are you with me? Okay, अब jokes करते हैं. Bonus point. As I said, I am a CEO, right? Chief Everything Officer, but I am not. That's where I am now connecting the dot. That delegation is the key. You need to delegate your responsibilities with the team members that they are capable. Promote the individual. Help them in learning new things, so that they would make the career growth, right? Now I am connecting all the dots of my presentation here, right? So that is how you delegate the responsibility. If someone is more interested in marketing, help them. That share one POC, share small tasks with them that you need to achieve this growth. Maybe you can just try out writing blog, or maybe you can just build one application in Flutter, and that's how you delegate more and more responsibility and build capability within your team only. Stay focused and always ahead of the team, right? Being a CEO, you have to be focused, as I said, but it is not the case. Team सो रही है, being a CEO or being company owner, you need to be running ahead of your team 3 months, 6 months well in advance. बाकी जब रिसेशन आएगा ना, दूसरे दिन फायरिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, right? And we are committed 110%. Call talk is being recorded, and we are not going to fire. Whatever happened in Soul Gurus, we will not fire any employees. So that is commitment we are keeping. And so, and you should always ahead of the team कि recession आ जाए या कुछ भी होगा. So you need to start thinking from that direction. Meanwhile your team is solving this problem, you start planning ahead. So 23 की जो strategy थी कि we'll take new clients from abroad and other territories. So 22 का जो target था हमारा, right, that we were able to achieve just in like October or November around, right? And then we started building and started planning strategies of 23, and now when January hits, we'll start executing those strategies. So you need to stay ahead of your team. कि let's say we are just doing React, Node and Flutter, right? So I'm just sharing these all examples so you can relate it. So we are just doing React, Node and Flutter and some sort of other frameworks as well, like all the JavaScript frameworks. So maybe you just come up with blockchain or Web3, or maybe you just try out new domain, right? So you start planning out in that direction, start building team in that direction, start capability within the team, and that's how you stay ahead of your team, right? Now, jokes time. Entrepreneurship is all about patience and passion. As I said, पेशेंट तो भर भर के होना चाहिए. कभी वो स्टॉक खाली नहीं होना चाहिए. Patience, I don't need to explain you. Patience. So as I said, when you need to take one step ahead, when you need to take one step behind, that you should know. Patience ये कसौटी बहुत ही करेगा when you are into entrepreneurship, startup है जो luxury दिखती है, but रात को नींद भी नहीं आएगी. Entrepreneurs, you can relate it, right? So patience बहुत ही होना चाहिए and never lose temperament. कुछ भी हो जाए, stay focused and you should know कि कब hiring करना है and when there is a huge demand, take one step beside. like वो मूवी एंजॉय करो एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ ले ऑफ स्टार्ट शॉपिंग. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की लैंग्वेज में मैंने किया, राइट? शॉपिंग कब करना है, शॉपिंग कब स्टॉप करना है. एंड दोज हु आर डेवलपर, हम शॉपिंग नहीं करते, ये बिजनेस जार्गन है. So, and I had said one thing, like we'll keep on hiring instead of laying off. So it's all about strategy, patience. सुनो सबकी, करो मन की. So when you start, there will be lot of free consultants, startup consultants, mentors, and fancy jargons वाले जो है ना, बहुत लोग आते हैं. ये करो, वो करो, ये करो. सुनो सबकी, but you really need to know what your team is capable of, what your team can do. ब्लॉकचेन में बहुत मिल रहा था लास्ट ईयर, लाइक बड़े बड़े टिकट साइज वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल रहा था, बट योर टीम इज जस्ट डूइंग रिएक्ट. सो ट्राई टू नो व्हाट योर टीम कैन डू. ऐसा नहीं है कि ब्लॉकचेन चलो हम भी ब्लॉकचेन करते हैं, नहीं चलता है, राइट? सो सबकी सुन लो, बट ट्राई जस्ट एनालाइज वट एवर यू हैव गेदर्ड. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक डोंट लिसन एनीवन. योर ears should always be open. सुन लो, सबकी सुन लो, but take the decision according to what resources you have, what infrastructure you have, right? Once you start, this is the fake thing. So we have started Soul Gurus purely based on ethics, and this talk is being recorded, and I have always said, we are not going to take any clients from our previous organization. It is purely based on the fact. So, and as I said, when you are following right path, right? When you are sure, your team will follow the same culture. कि fake नहीं करना है, don't follow fake things, don't share fake things. Always believe in truth and share always maintain the privacy. आप जैसे start किया है business, definitely your team will follow the same path. आपने किसी का client लेके बनाया है, so your team member will. Okay. So once you start, so we started without any single clients or single projects in hand. 4 महीने लग गई थी. पहले 4 महीने because सैलरी बंद हो गई, EMI 75,000 का आ रहा था और यहाँ पर कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, राइट? सो रियलिटी, ग्राउंड रियलिटी जो अभी लगता है ना, चलो स्टार्ट करते 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 कर दो, लग जाएगी. So, but it is the ground fact. Once you start, thousands hands will be outside there to lift you up. Do the collaboration. Try to showcase your capability, what you can do, what your team can do, and maybe you will come up with, maybe you will come in, hands or collaboration with some other companies that they have work but you don't have. So that's how you create win-win situation for both the organizations, and that's how you make the growth. And we are hiring React, Node and Flutter developers, and with that, no questions. Okay. And free swags. Sorry, there is no swag. So with that, how many of you enjoyed my talk?
All of us.
Thank you so much. That makes my day. That makes the effort that we have been putting for the entire event and this talk for a long time. Thank you all for joining this session. And as I said, feedback. That is most important, right? So I'm really looking forward to meet experienced entrepreneurs, those who have more experience and those who have less experience. I would be really happy to learn from you, like whether we are following the right direction, whether we are following the, some bad practices. Would be really happy to learn. Thank you all. Any questions? Yeah. Clap तो कर दो. चालू. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, parade.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah.
You said that you don't keep product manager in your company. Why?
So we are currently hiring business analyst, right? So as I said, if you read the tagline of Soul Gurus, that's clearly written, engineering quality solutions by employing technologies with passion and love. So that statement we are following. So when we want to engineer quality solution, we have to have all the documentations, best practices, right? So that's where we have started hiring business analyst. So when business analyst and product manager, they both fall in the same category, right, Subham? Right? So we are definitely going to have business analysts and product managers. But project manager, I said, I'm not sure whether I need project managers in this small team. Yeah.
એક વસ્તુ બીજી કે ટૂલ માઇક્રો મેનેજ કે કોઈની એમ્પ્લોયી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી ફૂલ થઈ હોય તમારી એક અંડર કામ કરતું હોય રાઈટ તો તમે કીધું કે લાઈક યુ જસ્ટ પોઇન્ટેડ કે કઈ ઇશ્યુ છે રાઈટ બટ કઈ હદ સુધી લાઈક when is the bar for that like ક્યારે વર્કશોપ એન્ડ એક્ચ્યુઅલી બધાય પડી ગઈ આ ભૂલ છે how do you determine that particular
So that's what I say, right? Build the task ownership, right? Promote the talented individuals. So everyday meetings low, teach them what they need to achieve, what they want to accomplish, and they would realize, based on my experience of being into industry so far, that is what I always did. कि उसको task दो, let them deliver, fail होते हैं तो they would realize quarterly जब progress का meeting होता है ना, so clearly tell them that these all the tasks, these all the commitments you have done, but so far you haven't delivered, you have delivered ahead of time, right? So try to make them realizing if they are making anything wrong, and based on that they will definitely learn from that. अगर जो जिसको नहीं सीखना है वो नहीं सीखेंगे फॉर श्योर है. कुछ भी कर लो, कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाए. Yeah.
Have you ever hired any employee?
We haven't. So far the retention ratio is 90%, 95-90%. अब एक पेपर रखेगा तो ऑब्वियसली 25 में रेशियो डाउन आएगा ना, तो 5%.
મારી પાસે ક્વેશ્ચન આવ્યો હતો કે હવે ધારો કે આ રીતે આ ભાઈએ પૂછ્યું અત્યારે કે તમે કઈ રીતના એને ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરવા માટે સજેસ્ટ કરો છો. તમે કહો છો કે આપણે એ રીતે કહીએ છીએ કે કંઈક છે ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરવાનો પોઈન્ટ, પણ તમે કહેતા નથી તો કેટલા ટાઈમ સુધી, લેટ્સ સે કે ક્વાર્ટર, રાઈટ?
But when you ask them to come up with some solutions, but at some point of time you start showing them the directions कि इस लाइन में तुझे सोचना है. there are some myths, but पहले टाइम में उसको solution मत बताओ कि what he did wrong, right? उसको direction दिखाओ, and then पहले उसको like he just need to come up with ideas. If he is going in wrong direction, show them the right direction कि तुझे इस लाइन में सोचना है, and then you tell the actual reality whether they achieved or not. If they achieved, you appreciate them. If they don't achieve, then you need to tell the exact solution. So गिराओ तो सही खड्डे में, एक बार तो गिरना ही चाहिए.
Narrow down the focus.
हाँ.